there were 8, after 2 of them, we tried to set up the page. We have 8 members on that page. So we have never seen each other. I always know these 2 boys and the rest I've never met them. So September 28th September 2019, I invited the group, the 8 of them, to come over to Katong at Stala Lodge in my village. So that's why we had the meeting. We were able to set out the foundation of the movement. But thereby, after the meeting, we were so committed to make sure that how we're going to form the Young Gambians for Change. But then earlier on, the name was the Gambian Now for the Future. We see the Gambia today, now we project the Gambia for a better tomorrow. That was the initial name, the Gambian Now for the Future. But 2020, when we went to register the movement at AC Chamber, Justice, when they were like, we're not register it under this name. Choose an ideal name that would befit the movement. So on that discussion, we came to conclusion that we're going to choose the name, the Young Gambians for Change. And the aim was, how do we bring the young people together? Because we know we are the young suckers, as this man will say, Chinua Chile. One day the old suckers are going out, and the baton must be transferred to the young suckers. And we believe that we are the young suckers, and we can exert change, we can fight to make sure that we have a better Gambia. And often I usually ask my people,